So our task today is to use the base n. The n number is from 0 to 10, and find the first 10 power of 0, of 1, of 2, and of 5. And then by constructing the consecutive differences until we reach to a common differences, and then we can prove why 0 factorial is 1. Okay, because for the demonstration purpose, I'm gonna just look at the number from 0 to 5 instead of 0 to 10. So from 0 to 5, let's say the degree is 4. Then I take the degree 0 to the 4 is 0, 1 to the 4 is 1, 2 to the 4 is 16, 3 to the 4 is 81, 4 to the 4 is 256, and 5 to the 4 is 625. Alright, so now I take the differences. The first differences I have is 1 minus 0 is 1, 16 minus 1 is 15, and then 81 minus 16 is 65, 256 minus 81, 175, and the same for this, I have 369. Alright, now I'm going to do it again to get my, I call this differences 2. So my differences 2 is, I take 15 minus 1, I have 14. Keep going, I have 50, 110, and 194. Okay, repeat it again for differences 3. I have 50 minus 14 is 36, 110 minus 50 is 60, and then 194 minus 110 is 84. Alright, and for the difference 4, when I get 60 minus 36, I have 24. 84 minus 60 is 24. Okay, oh look this here. So I have 24 and 24. So if the power is n is 4, then my difference 4 is my common differences, because they're all the same, 24, 24. If I continue the number over here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, eventually I will get the same differences, 24, 24, 24. When n is 4, the 4 differences is my common differences. And I call it factorial difference of 4 is 24. In other words, I can say 4 factorial is 24. Alright, so now when I take the degree is 3, and I consider the number from 0 to 5. So 0 to the third power is 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is 125. Alright, so the same patterns, I'm going to take the differences. 1 by minus 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, 27 minus 8 is 19, 64 minus 27 is 37, and then this is 61. And then I find the differences 2. I have 6, 12, 18, and 24. I get this minus this 24. Alright, and then the difference 3 is 12 minus 6 is 6, 18 minus 12 is 6, and 24 minus 18 is 6. And look, this is also my common differences, because they're all the same. When the power is 3, they're going to be 3 differences until I get to my common difference. I call it factorial difference of 3 is 6. In other words, I can say 3 factorial is 6.
Let's start it now with n equals 2, degree of 2. So 0 power 2 is 0, 1 power 2 is 1, 2 power 2 is 4, 3 power 2 is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 power 2 is 25. Now let's take a differences. Like 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 16 minus 9 is 7, 25 minus 16 is 9. This is difference for 1. Now another difference of 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. It means if the power of n is 2, there are going to be 2 differences until I get to my common difference. I call it factorial difference of 2, which is 2. In other words, I can say 2 factorial is 2. Okay, let's see when degree of n equals 1. So 0 power 1 is 0, 1 power 1 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 1 is 3, 4 power 1 is 4, 5 power 1 is 5. Let's take a differences. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. It means the power of n when it's 1, there is going to be one difference until I get to my common difference. I call it a factorial difference of 1, which is 1. In other words, I can say 1 factorial is 1.
Alright, so now when the degree n is 0, and then I take the number from 0 to 5 to the power 0, 0, 0 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 2, 0 is 1, 3, 0 is 1, and everything to the power 0 is 1. And so we take the same pattern as before. When n is 0, then the differences 0 is going to be my common differences, which I call it factorial difference of 0 is 1. In other words, I can say 0 factorial is 1, because this is the difference 0, because n is 0. So to summarize, when the degree is n is 4, then the 4 differences is my common difference, which is my factorial number. So 4 factorial is 24. And then the same thing for same patterns. When degree n is 3, then the different 3 is 6. That means that is also the 3 factorial is 6. When the n degree is 2, then the different 2 is 2. This is also the factorial difference of 2. In other words, 2 factorial is 2. And when n is 1, when degree n is 1, then the different 1 is my common factorial. In other words, 1 factorial is 1. That's why when the degree is n is 0, we don't take any difference. The different 0 is the common differences. In other words, 0 factorial is 1. So we have shown that 4 factorial 24, 3 factorial 6, 2 factorial 2, 1 factorial 1, and we also show that 0 factorial is 1. Yeah.